Yeah, my name is Unicorn.
I'm a unicorn too.
You're a unicorn too?
Welcome to Celine vlog.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to Celine vlog.
Oh, welcome to Celine Playworld. Hi Celine, what do you have today?
The unicorn Play-Doh.
The unicorn Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Wow, I love it. This one is called Sparkling Unicorns.
Yeah.
Let me see the other side.
You would mix it like this and you go on and then you push it like you put like a slime into it.
Oh wow, I love it. It's so nice. I love it. It's so nice.
Now let's open it.
Let's open it. Let me see. Before we open it, we have to see what's inside. Okay, it says softy dough. There's a purple unicorn. There's a pink unicorn. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put all the softy dough together, right? And with the softy dough, we're gonna make very nice unicorn!
Yay!
Yay!
Now
Let's open it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Babe, can you open it for me?
Yeah. Okay, Celine. So what do we have?
A Play-Doh.
Oh, we'll open this in a little bit. These are big softy dough. We're gonna open these containers later. What colors do we have? We have pink, blue, and white. Wow! Let me see it. We have a purple unicorn case, and what else? A pink one, right? Wow, I love it so much. What is this?
Open this one.
What is this?
This is a rainbow push it.
It's a rainbow.
That's rainbow like this.
Interesting. Okay. I think with this we could make fun shapes, and this one we could use it to cut. Right? Okay. Are you ready to start opening them and making some unicorns?
Yeah.
Who's ready to make some unicorns?
Me.
Celine, unicorn. Ooh! Open it. Open it. Can you open it?
Okay.
Ah! Come on, open it. Ah! I'll help you. No, you hurt yourself. Okay, so what do you have, Celine?
A pink shiny.
Uh-huh.
A blue shiny.
Uh-huh.
And a white shiny.
Wow, these are all three softy dough colors?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do with the pink one.
Wow.
Let's do the pink one. Whoa, look at that. Whoa, you gotta put him here in this container. Let's do the purple one because the two colors are different. Let's do,
I want to.
you wanna do the pink one? Okay, let's do the pink one. Wow, so nice. You have to fill it up. Fill it up as much as you can. And then you fold this and press it, and then the unicorn will come out, okay?
Let me put down. Now that.
More, let me see. Let me see, you have to put more. That's such a nice unicorn it's gonna be. Let me see. Let me see. You have to put more. Fill it up. Fill it up. Fill it up as much as you can, okay? You're gonna fill it up as much as you can, and we're gonna put it here and fold it. And we're gonna have ourselves a nice unicorn. Whoa! Let me see it. More, more. You need to put more. Put more.
Yeah.
Yeah, put more on the other side. Yeah, put more. Fill it up, okay? Go, Celine, go, come on, fill it up. Hurry up, Celine, hurry up. Come on.
I can't.
Yeah, you could, you're so fast. Aren't you fast?
Yeah.
Come on, Celine. Hurry up, hurry up. We're gonna fill it up with more softy dough, or is this Play-Doh or softy dough? Yeah, it's softy dough. Ooh, look at that. We're gonna have a very nice unicorn. Ooh. You finished it? Let me see. Hold on, hold on. Let me see. Wow! Let me see again.
Let me push it a little more.
Push it more, push it. Press on it. Press, 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 press. Yeah, press. Okay, let's open it. You know how to take it out? Let me see how to take it out. Hold on. I think we need to use this knife here. We need to use this knife here and take it out. Wow, look at this unicorn that Celine did. It's so nice. I love it. Whoa. I love this unicorn. What is it? It's all pink? What are you doing right now? Are you making accessories for them? Yeah, I see it comes with a heart, a horseshoe, a flower, and a star, right? Oh, I like it. No, that was me. Yeah. You want to do one with the purple one? Let's do one with the purple casing, okay? Wow, you put a star on it? Let me see. Let me see. I don't see the star. It's on the other side. Whoa! You see the star? It's like a tiny, tiny star right there. Oh, I like it, Celine. Wow, yeah, go fast. You want to use a different color?
Well, it's messy.
You could, yeah, because you used all of them. You want to use a different color, maybe? You want to use white, pink, or blue? Okay, let's use the pink one. Is that your favorite color? Wow, Celine's favorite color is pink. Wow, I love this unicorn. You're gonna make it. You should make one in a different color. Let's make one in a different color, right? Oh, wow, Celine, so fast, Celine. You're making 2 unicorns now?
Yeah.
Okay.
But where's the star? Oh, there.
The star? It should be right there. Maybe you want to do it in a different color so it could show, because you're putting pink on pink. We can't see it. Yeah, oh, it's right there. Okay. Are you gonna do one in a different color? Yeah? Are you gonna do one in a different color? Wow. Let me see, that's a hair tie. Wow, I love it. This unicorn has a hair tie. It's a flower hair tie, or it's a flower hair tie. Wow. I love it, Bobby. Very good. You wanna make another unicorn? Okay, so let's go ahead and press it and see what comes out. Press it real good, okay? Keep pressing it, press it. Let me do it for you. Let me help you. You want me to help you? Press. Press very hard. Press. Let me see. Keep pressing. Yeah, oh. Hold on. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have to fix this unicorn, okay? Alright, we're gonna add some stuff and show you what we're gonna get with it, okay? What are you making, by the way, Celine?
The white.
You're making a white unicorn? Okay, so now we have 1 white unicorn and 2 pink unicorns. Whoa. Okay, so this is the unicorn we got after pressing it real hard. Okay, now Celine's gonna add some more accessories to it, right? Celine, are you gonna add more accessories to this unicorn? Okay. See what we have? Oh. We have 3 unicorns. You see them? So nice. I love it. Okay, you're gonna add more accessories? Okay. Let's see. You're making the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm making this.
What is that?
The monster.
It's a monster. Oh, we're making unicorns. Look how much nice unicorns we have. We have 3. Okay, guys. So this is how you make those nice Play-Doh unicorns with the softy dough, right? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed this. What?
It's Play-Doh.
Oh, it's Play-Doh. Okay, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to Celine Play World.
No.
Celine is mad. She doesn't want to go. But we're gonna leave her play with all these Play-Dohs right now, right? Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Hi, I'm a unicorn.
Don't be smart.
Where's the unicorn? Let's play with these. Let's play with these unicorns.
I'm playing the snake. I'm gonna play the sneakorn Play-Doh.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this one. I'm a unicorn. Oh, hello. Hi. Hi, unicorn. What's your name? Your name is Unicorn Piano? Wow, and I'm Unicorn Guitar. Oh, you wanna go? What do you wanna do? You wanna go and eat some ice cream? Let's go eat some ice cream. Oh no, let's go eat some ice cream. Oh, hi, there's another pink unicorn. What's your name? Your name is Corn? That's a funny name. What's your name again? Okay, I'm gonna name you Christy and I'm gonna name you Misty. Okay, Christy and Misty.
What's your name?
My name is
The unicorn?
yeah, my name is Unicorn.
I'm a unicorn too.
You're a unicorn too? Oh my god.
Too.
Let's see what we have here. Maybe we could get some stuff here that I could make some food. Here's some food. Oh wow, look, some food for me. Wow. Here's a new house. This is my new house. What are you doing?
The Play-Doh.
You're making the Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh, I love it.
Again.
What'd you get?
Oh no.
Open it. Let's see what you got. Wow, it's a nice blue one. I love it. Let me see it.
Pink.
Let me see it again.
Pink.
Let me see it. Whoa. Whoa, I love it. It's so nice.
I will push it like.
Let's take it out.
What?
It broke. Oh, you didn't press it good. Do it again. You have to do it again. Okay?
Like I made a cut. This is a house like this.
Yeah, put a house for him.